Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have pictured this with a song called Song to Myself. So this is a song with a great message. It's about dark thoughts and self-esteem and all that could be tough sometimes, and a great song with a great message there. So let's take a look at this one. We have capo set here on the 3rd fret, and with that we have 4 different chords: the C, F, A minor, and G. So let's take a look at the chords. First, the C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then F, it's a bar chord, so place a bar here on the 1st fret of all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have A minor, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally we have G. Alright, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so before we look at the different parts and chord all that good stuff, we will learn the strumming pattern. And it's about 8 downs. So if you take the C, that's the 1st chord, grab that one strumming around will be like this. That's a total of 8 downs, but I tried to emphasize 2 of them. So when I play the downs here, I mostly play on the bass string. So okay. And it depends. Now if you play F, you can play all strings. If you play C, you will try to avoid the E string, of course. It doesn't belong to the chord, but the bass strings here, a couple of them. And then on the 4th down, I play the top strings. Then I go back to play bass on the 5 and 6 down. And then on the 7th, I reach down to the top again, top strings, higher. And then on the 8th, I go back to bass. So I pretty much emphasize the 4th and the 7th down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or bass, 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 top, bass, bass, top, bass. Okay. So with that, you're gonna get a certain rhythm here. So it goes like this. Follows with all chords. So like this. Alright. So the chord progression for the verse will be C, 2 string rounds. 1 round is about 8 downs. Okay, so 2 rounds of the C, then 2 rounds of F, then 2 rounds of A minor, and 2 rounds of F. So the verses, you're gonna play this for 4 chord progression rounds. So 1 round will be like this. F, A minor, and back to F. 4 rounds of that, and that is the verse. Then comes the pre-chorus. You will just play in the same way when it comes to the strumming. And you will go back and forth between G and F, okay? So you're gonna play 2 rounds of G, 2 rounds of F, then 2 rounds of G, and 2 rounds of F. That G, F, G, F is 1 chord progression round. You will play that for 2 rounds. So 1 round will be like this. Pre-chorus. And then comes the chorus, and guess what? You will play in the same way as the verse plays. So C2, F2, A minor 2, and F2. And that pretty much covers Picture This Song to Myself. A great guitar song, suits guitar very well there. So give it a try. Until next time, guys, play tuned.